Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful mint condition 2018 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 265RLS travel trailer. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up the video by showing you the outside. The sun just came out, so I'll try to show it off the best I can. A little bit cloudy, but hopefully the sun will work with us today. Overall exterior length is 30 feet, 11 inches. The exterior height to the large, upgraded 15,000 BTU AC unit is 11 feet. And the unloaded vehicle weight, when it came off the assembly line, you'll usually find on a yellow sticker on the door. And there it is. When it came off the assembly line, 6,055 pounds. This camper is 100% excellent condition. A one-owner camper. This was actually purchased a few years ago at the RV and Boat Show in Louisville. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. And again, condition 1 through 10, 10 being the best. This is definitely a 10. Any dealer would definitely agree with me. Alrighty. This is Super Slide, and start off here. Super Slide accommodates the trifold sleeper sofa, ultra leather, and the color is going to be like a brownish color. Not sure if I can get that real good in the video. And excellent condition, extremely comfortable. Also in the Super Slide is the boot dinette. Boot dinette does have the ultra leather finish also. I'll show off those colors on the back padding here. It's going to be different colors of tans and browns. And that booth just breaks down, take out the poles, and the table sets down, and you could easily sleep one grown adult. You could actually squeeze in definitely 2 kiddos easily on this. I do want to point out, before I forget, this has a pretty cool feature. It's basically an energy management system. It monitors the voltage and current coming into the camper, and it has Bluetooth, so it connects to your smart device, which is pretty cool. Pan on that there, and you can Google it, figure out what the value of that is. Pretty neat. Having an energy management system on a Jayco Jay Flight is definitely one of a kind. Entertainment center area here does not have a TV, but if you wanted to get one, they're $100 at Walmart. But you do have the stereo, Bluetooth capable, smart device ready, CD, all the good stuff on that. Your cabinets, the Jayco is calling it a chocolate maple finish. And see if I can get a little bit better lighting over here. Yeah, right here. One of the pantry doors. Chocolate maple finish, and it does have, it looks like a nickel finish on all your hardware. Show off your pantries there. Six cubic foot nor cold refrigerator, and you can actually adjust the temperature, which is nice. It's not preset to one temperature. That's definitely a nice feature. Microwave, we are hooked up to 110. Always make sure the digital readout's working when we're hooked up to 110. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front one is usually a high output. Nice oven there. Looks like it's never been used. You do have metal ball bearing drawer guides. In this class, sometimes other manufacturers might cheapen it up by putting in cheap guides, and a lot of times it won't be wood. This is all wood. It's not that particle board stuff. Jayco does a pretty good job on all lines of their trailers and fifth wheels and motorhomes. I'm going to try to show off all the storage. High arch faucet. It's a nickel finish on the faucet. Huge double bowl sink. You are ducted heat all throughout the camper. Your furnace on this, I'm going to guess it's probably a 30,000 BTU furnace. And your AC, as I said, it's the upgraded option. 15,000 BTU AC unit. And it's ducted all the way through. And you can turn these little louvers, which is pretty cool. Sometimes you can't do that. And then angle the air wherever you want it. Your floor is going to be a beautiful plank floor look. And it's the vinyl. Easy to clean. Your carpet and the slide out. Kind of pan in on that. It's got different colors of light tans, little speckles of brown. Excellent condition. Again, very well maintained trailer. And almost forgot the best part. The 2 rocker chairs. And they're ultra leather also. Kind of pan in on that. There are covers, and while I'm here, I might as well go ahead and put them on. At least put one on. I'm kind of one-handed here. Kind of show off what that looks like. I guess nice little cover in case you don't want to get your back all sweaty if it's a nice hot day. And the owner may have made those. I'm going to have to ask. But there's another one here. I've never seen that for the other chair. Pretty neat. Okay, let's tuck this away. There we go. Huge big bay window. Well, I've got good lighting here. I'll show off those window treatments. Again, tans in color, browns. All right, let's speed up this video a little bit. There's your thermostat, by the way, for your heat and your AC. Huge shower for this class of trailer. Definitely going to be one of the nicest in this class. Neo-angle shower with skylight. And it is, it's a glass enclosed. Some manufacturers in this class or this line of trailer, they'll just give you a curtain. Forgot to turn on the light. Nice vent fan in the bathroom. And again, huge storage even in the bathroom. Foot flush toilet. And walking into the master bedroom. You got the queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. I'll show you the huge storage up underneath here, and all that is all pass through, and I'll show you when we get outside. And the bed is on gas assist struts, which is definitely nice. Closets on each side of the bed. You do have outlets on each side of the bed, so if somebody has a sleep-at machine or wants to plug in devices and charge them, they have that option there. This is a double door entry, so you have another door here in the bedroom, which is definitely convenient, and a nice pocket door here. Sometimes in this line of trailer, they'll just give you a little accordion door, but Jayco does a great job on all their lines of trailers and campers and motorhomes. Give you one last look before we go outside. This camper probably, I think they're calling it 4 to 6 is what it sleeps. This is the aluminum corrugated skin finish. I did check for hail damage, any kind of dinks. I really didn't find anything at all. That's why I classified as excellent condition. Kind of show off. This is what I do. I kind of look down the side and just look for dinks. rock tanks thrown up on it, usually during transport. I did not find any issues. Okay, the awning, it's going to be, I think the awning is 17 foot long. Don't quote me on that, but it looks like to be about a 17 footer. LED light strip, and they're all on and working. I don't know if you can see that in the video. All your decals are in excellent condition. Your tires, easy lube axles. Tires are in excellent condition. Show that off there. They're nitro filled. Little green cap tells you that. Freshwater fill here, your gravity fill, 44 gallon freshwater tank on this. Window tinting is going to be 80% tint. Kind of back up here. I want to really focus a lot on the outside condition. There we go. The sun's getting me real good right here. I just kind of look for any dinks or dimples in the metal, and there are none. This is looks just about the same condition as when it was at the RV show. Diamond plating, I do believe that was an option or part of a package. You do have 20-pound LP tanks underneath here, and this cover may have been an option or part of a package. Battery. The hitching, the owners have, I'll show you on the back side, the owners have hitching. They paid about $1,000 for the hitching. It's not coming with it. There it is. I'll show you on the other side. They're not including it with the trailer because obviously they paid extra $1,000 for the hitching alone. But if you're interested in the trailer and you need the hitching, maybe they can work something out with you. There's that beautiful Jayco badge there. Yeah, there's your hitching. Huge storage garage area here, and this is all up underneath the bed. I did check this camper for water damage, did not find any issues. There's your heavy duty stabilizer jacks. These are a lot stronger and better than the electric stabilizer jacks that they offer on some models. These heavy duty ones are the ones you want. There's your hookups here, your gate valves, easy dumping of your holding tanks. Your holding tanks, as far as the gray and black, which are your shower tank and your toilet tank, they're both 39 gallons. 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip switch on. Whether you're boondocking or hooked up to electric, you got hot water in 10-15 minutes. Outside shower. City water hookup right there. Kind of back up here, show off that back side. They keep this covered, the owners do. Very well maintained. Those easy lube axles are real convenient for maintaining the camper. You don't have to take it in and get the axles greased up. And that slide out's going to be a good 12 foot long. It may be 14 foot long. So it is a super slide, and it's about 3 foot deep. And again, your heavy duty stabilizer jacks on the rear. Cable satellite hookup here. You do have the Magnum Truss roof system that Jayco offers on all their lines. It's the strongest roof. It's 50% stronger than their competitors. I forgot the roofs. I think these roofs on their Jayco Jay Flight line, I think they're rated at like 4,500 pounds, something crazy like that. And your, I do want to point out, your awning is adjusting. You can just grab one end and it will collapse any way you want a little bit. It's got a little bit of adjustment to it. And it is in excellent condition. And I always forget on these Jaycos. These Jaycos, as far as I know, they're the only ones who definitely did it in 18. They have speakers up in the arm there. So you have outside speakers. I always forget that. All right, that's pretty much it. It's a beautiful trailer. If you want to come see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. You can also call 502-645-3124. for more details. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.